now you can repair your brain with a 3D printer. Yeah, your brain has a fault. Artist impression, yeah. Those do artist impression, but in real life it's nothing like that whatsoever. Just some artist who's been, sniffing some sort of drug maybe, has come up with some artwork. And, oh, look at that. Yeah, that's inside your head. Would you want to put a 3D printed piece of plastic inside your brain? Yeah, my hobby is 3D printing, but I don't think I'm going to print this out on my 3D printer. Anyway, if Elon Musk isn't doing brain implants and then whinging on about AI, how hypocritical people are who want money off you, who grab your income and spend it on private jets so that they can go places to tell you to reduce your CO2.